long before the motors, before the docks, before the maps were honest. These waters belong to pirates. Where the river meets the gulf, where tides whisper secrets, a landing awaits. This is no ordinary port. This is Crump's Landing. In 2026, the pirates return. A full-scale invasion of mischief, music, and maritime mayhem, where locals, legends, and landlubbers unite under black flags. But this invasion isn't about plunder alone. It's about community, celebrating Homosassa's deep-rooted coastal heritage, lifting up local businesses, and rallying together for causes that keep these waters, this town, and its people thriving. Every cheer, every toast, every step on these docks helps fuel something bigger than the party. A shared love for this place we call home. So, polish your boots, raise your colors, and ready the crew. Because when the pirates land in Homosassa, there will be no surrender, only legend.
Ship ahoy! Yo ho ho!